Hello and welcome back to Spanish Student Facts. Today we're going to show you how to take your Spanish skills to the next level and learn like a pro. Whether you're a beginner or an intermediate learner, these tips will help you achieve fluency in no time. So, let's get started. Tip 1. The first tip is to set clear goals for yourself. Learning a new language can be overwhelming, but having specific goals in mind will help you stay motivated and focused. Determine why you want to learn Spanish and what you hope to achieve, whether it's to travel to a Spanish-speaking country, communicate with native speakers, or improve your job prospects. Once you have your goals in mind, break them down into smaller, achievable steps, such as learning 10 new vocabulary words each day or practicing verb conjugations for 30 minutes a day. Having clear goals and a plan to achieve them will make your language learning journey more manageable and enjoyable. Tip 2. The second tip is to immerse yourself in the language as much as possible. Surround yourself with Spanish language materials, such as books, movies, TV shows, podcasts, and music. Listen to Spanish radio stations and follow Spanish-speaking social media accounts. Make an effort to think in Spanish and speak the language as much as possible, even if it's just talking to yourself in the car or while doing household chores. The more you expose yourself to the language, the faster you'll learn and the more natural it will become. Tip 3. The third tip is to practice regularly and consistently. Learning a new language is like learning a musical instrument or a sport. It takes regular practice to improve. Set aside a specific time each day or week for Spanish practice and stick to it. Use language learning apps such as Duolingo or Babbel to practice on the go, or find a language exchange partner to practice speaking with. Regular practice will help you build a strong foundation in the language and improve your skills over time. Tip 4. The fourth tip is to seek out feedback and correction. Learning a new language can be challenging, but it's important to get feedback and correction from others to improve. Find a language teacher or tutor who can provide you with personalized feedback and guidance. Attend language exchange meetups or conversation groups to practice speaking with native speakers and get their feedback. Don't be afraid to make mistakes, they're a natural part of the learning process. Instead, use them as an opportunity to improve and learn from your mistakes. Tip 5. The fifth and final tip is to stay motivated and enjoy the process. Learning a new language can be a long and challenging journey, but it's important to stay motivated and enjoy the process. Find ways to make learning fun and enjoyable, whether it's by watching Spanish language TV shows, reading Spanish books, or attending cultural events. Celebrate your successes, no matter how small, and don't get discouraged by setbacks. Remember that language learning is a lifelong process, and every little bit of progress counts. Conclusion. So there you have it, our top 5 tips for learning Spanish like a pro. Remember to set clear goals, immerse yourself in the language, practice regularly and seek out feedback, and stay motivated and enjoy the process. With these tips in mind, you'll be on your way to Spanish fluency in no time. Thanks for tuning in to Spanish Student Facts, and don't forget to subscribe for more language learning tips and tricks. Hasta luego!